There is a new feature update just landed for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, and it is a feature that allows you to AirDrop files from your Samsung device to an Apple device, or the other way around. So today we're gonna show you how you can do it on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series, and hopefully in the future the software update also landed on the older devices like the S25, S24 and everything else. To start with, you have to make sure your Samsung device is updated to the latest version. You can check in the software update page. Right now we're on the One UI 8.5, and this one is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and just going to show you that you don't need to have the Ultra to have this feature working. So once you have confirmed your software is latest, you can also go into the share page, quick share, and then make sure that you have this option enabled, share with Apple devices, because this is the crucial part that allows you to share with your other nearby Apple devices. So right here I have an iPhone 15 Pro. We're gonna share, let's say, a photo. Now before you start sharing, one thing you need to configure on the iPhone definitely is the ability to receive from non-contacts, because right now Apple devices, they have this security or privacy option that you can only share to your contacts or receive from your contacts only. So from here you can enable to everyone for 10 minutes. As such, then we can hit share on the Samsung device, quick share, and you can see that we already have the iPhone 15 Pro here. So when you press on it, they will want to share a photo, accept it, and voila, we have the image. Where is it? Yeah, there we have it. Of course, and the other way around, you will have to make sure your quick share is available for everyone to see. Right here, because you can see that everyone, 10 minutes only. Now you can see that my S26 Plus is appear on the other devices here. And by just doing so, want to share one image with you, accept. And yeah, it is done. We have it here. So this is not just limited to iPhones. You can also share with other devices, Apple devices like the iPads, MacBooks as well. And previously, we have to rely on third-party utilities to do all of these things. Now you don't have to, because the latest update on the Samsung device allows you to AirDrop to Apple devices. And we certainly hope that this new feature will be rolled out to their other phones as well, including their tablets. As such, then you can have all your devices live in harmony. So I hope this video gives some very clear message on how you can set up your Samsung Galaxy S26 or in the future other Samsung devices to AirDrop files to your Apple devices and the other way around. So if you guys have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.